Fry.
Fry.
Fry the chicken until it's crispy.
I fry eggs for breakfast.
Break.
Break.
Break the eggs into a bowl.
He broke the cookie in half to share.
Squeeze.
Squeeze.
Squeeze the orange for fresh juice.
I squeezed the lemon to make lemonade.
Chop.
Chop.
Chop the onions into small pieces.
She chops the tomatoes for the salad.
Grate.
Grate.
Grate the carrots for the salad.
I grate cheese for the pizza.
Slice.
Slice.
Slice the bread for sandwiches.
I slice the apple into thin pieces.
Pinch.
Pinch.
Add a pinch of salt to the soup.
He adds a pinch of pepper to his food.
Peel.
Peel.
Peel the apple before eating it.
He peeled the orange and gave me a slice.
Knead.
Knead.
Knead the dough until it's smooth.
She kneads the dough to make pizza.
Roll out.
Roll out.
Roll out the dough to make a pie crust.
She rolled out the pastry for the pie.
Mix.
Mix.
Mix the milk with the cereal.
He mixed the salad dressing in a bowl.
Sift.
Sift.
Sift the sugar before using it.
I sift the flour for the cake.
Sauté.
Saute.
Sauté the mushrooms in olive oil.
She sauteed the garlic until fragrant.
Spread.
Spread.
Spread jam on the toast.
He spread peanut butter on the toast.
Boil.
Boil.
Boil the pasta until it's soft.
I boil water for pasta.
Steam.
Steam.
Steam the broccoli for dinner.
He steams vegetables to keep them healthy.
Drain.
Drain.
Drain the vegetables after boiling them.
He drains the water from the pasta.
Grill.
Grill.
Grill the chicken on the barbecue.
She grilled the steak for dinner.
Roast.
Roast.
Roast the chicken in the oven.
He roasted the turkey for Thanksgiving.
Pour.
Pour.
Pour the juice into a glass.
She poured juice for everyone.
Mash.
Mash.
Mash the bananas for the recipe.
I mashed the potatoes with a fork.
Blend.
Blend.
Blend the fruits to make a smoothie.
She blended the fruits for a drink.
Melt.
Melt.
Melt the butter in a small pan.
The chocolate is melting in the sun.
Bake.
Bake.
Bake the cookies in the oven.
She baked the cake for the party.
Add.
Add.
Add some sugar to your tea.
She added extra cheese to the pasta.
Whip.
Whip.
Whip the cream until it's light.
I need to whip the eggs for the cake.
Taste.
Taste.
Taste the soup to see if it needs salt.
I taste food while cooking to check flavor.
Cut.
Cut.
Cut the vegetables into small pieces.
He cut the bread with a sharp knife.
Dice.
Dice.
Dice the potatoes and add them to soup.
He diced the tomatoes for the salad.
Mince.
Mince.
Mince the garlic for the pasta sauce.
She minces the meat for the dumplings.
Shred.
Shred.
Shred some lettuce into the salad bowl.
She shreds the cheese for the pizza.
Layer.
Layer.
Layer the potatoes in a dish.
He layered the lasagna with meat and cheese.
Stir.
Stir.
Stir the soup continuously.
She stirred the coffee with a spoon.
Weigh.
Weigh.
Weigh the flour before adding it.
He weighs the sugar on a kitchen scale.
Whisk.
Whisk.
Whisk the eggs until fluffy.
She whisked the cream to make it light.
Simmer.
Simmer.
Let the soup simmer on low heat.
The chicken was simmered in cream sauce.
Scramble.
Scramble.
Scramble the eggs with salt and pepper.
She scrambles the eggs with cheese.
Freeze.
Freeze.
Freeze the leftover soup in containers.
You should freeze the meat to keep it fresh.
Parboil.
Parboil.
Parboil the potatoes before roasting.
I parboil the rice before making fried rice.
Wash.
Wash.
Wash the fruit before eating it.
She washed the fruit under cold water.
Sprinkle.
Sprinkle.
Sprinkle sugar on top of the cake.
He sprinkled cheese over the pasta.
Percolate.
Percolate.
Let the coffee percolate for 5 minutes.
She percolated tea in a small pot.
Dip.
Dip.
Dip the chicken into the sauce.
She dipped the cookies into the milk.
Serve.
Serve.
Breakfast is served in the restaurant.
She served the cake at the party.
Braise.
Braise.
Braise the meat with vegetables.
He braised the beef in wine sauce.
Stew.
Stew.
The beef needs to stew slowly.
She stewed the vegetables in a large pot.
Infuse.
Infuse.
Infuse the tea leaves in hot water.
I infused the tea with fresh mint leaves.
Broil.
Broil.
Broil the steak for 5 minutes.
I'll broil the bacon instead of frying it.
Marinate.
Marinate.
Marinate the chicken in white wine.
She marinates the steak in soy sauce.